What's going on, everybody? I'm Claude Tor. Today we're going to learn how to do an awesome green screen. You're going to be able to use your Ultra key at the defaults, and it's going to be 7 easy steps you're going to have to do to make a completely perfect green screen every single time. Okay, here we go.
Number 1. Open HSL Secondary.
Click on your color, top there, and you go to HSL Secondary.
Number 2. Select green neutral color with pen tool.
Pen indicators. You're going to grab that. I'm going to try to get a mid-tone in there somewhere. Say right in there.
Number 3. Set HSL bars to correct settings.
That's what we want to change. So we're just going to go as wide as we see the green there. And this one I'm going to open up as far as I can. And bring him all the way to the right. Just going to open him as far as you can. Bring him all the way to the dark. Alright. So that's how I believe that's going to have to be figured. And later you might have to come back in here and mess with these. You see how it's splitting up? I actually want to go right about there. This guy here. Yeah, we can go all the way with him.
Number 4. Turn correction wheels on bright green.
So now we're not going to worry about this color wheel whatsoever. But what I want to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to set these according to how I normally set these. And I believe it's going to be somewhere, I think this is already always pegged out. And we're going to go ahead and peg that out and peg this out. And then what I believe I do is I bring this all the way down. I bring this all the way up. And I grab these 3 wheels. Bring them in the green. Light green, light green. Light green. I think I want to grab these mid-tones and bring them all the way up as well. I'm having issues here with this guy. Yeah, see, I had to move them around. I had some issues up in this area. I had to move these around a little bit to what I seen I liked anyway.
Number 5. Set temperature through saturation bars.
On these bars, I've found it. We're going to want these up 100%, 100%. This guy, the contrast, I don't really mess with. The sharpen, we really want to diffuse that. We want to diffuse it. And we're going to turn our saturation all the way up to 200%. Right?
Number 6. Mask area with opacity pen tool.
I don't need to mask anything out, but if you did, you go in your opacity and mask it out.
Number 7. Add Ultra key.
Go into your effects panel to go Ultra key. Double click that. Come in here and grab a dark color. And now we're going to go to composite. We're going to go to alpha channel. We're going to go to aggressive. It didn't quite take it all out. We're just going to come in here. We're going to grab a dark green. It might be a little too dark of a green. There we go. I like that. So there you go. So now that is how you get your green screen out 100%.